Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate taking time out of y'all's busy schedule, stop in and see what it is I'm up to. Um, I've been out and cleaning up this, that, and the other, and as I was going through some stuff, I came across some stuff, and I realized I could do some stuff with the stuff that I came across while I was going through some stuff. Did you get that? I'm not sure I did. Anyway, I revised my little portable screwdriver set, and I thought I'd show you what I did. So let's bring you over here. Well, yeah, let's bring you over here. Oh, see all that stuff? That's all like making kits and kits made up and whatnot. Well, let's see. We'll get you down here. And this is my Altoids Arctic Curiously Cool Mint Tin. I love these things. I really do. And the tins themselves are pretty cool. Let's see. We'll get inside of here. Some of this hasn't changed. Some of it has. This is a bottle cap to a small adult beverage bottle. You usually get on airplanes, but you can buy them at adult beverage stores. And there's a two-part epoxy that I then stuck one of the screwdriver bits into. One of these. Here we go. This acts as a ultra mini screwdriver. I mean, that's about tiny. There's a dime, an American dime. It's about the same size. A lot thicker, but it's the same around. So there's that. That will act as a handle. There's another dime. Dimes come in handy. They make great little screwdrivers all by themselves for a straight bit. Now, here's what I came across. This was a 1/4 inch box wrench, open box wrench. And it's a Del Cheapo, drop forge, China, something or other. I cut it in half. And y'all might be like, well, why'd you do that? Well, I'll show you in a minute. But this will reach in and, give you the traction you need, or what you need to turn that wrench or turn that screwdriver. Whoop. This is part of a small pair of a small wrench. Now, like I said, I had to cut this down. I cut down this end of it, and I cut this down a little bit so it fits in there. Now, of course, your screwdriver bit fits in that end. And you can either use the box wrench end, or you can use the open end, depending on how you need to get into it. And for those of you who think I goofed by making it too short, I added an extra little handle. And you can jam it on there, and it will give you all the torque you need. And if you use that on top to give downward pressure and then turn, this will do quite a few chores. Here are a couple of washers that go with my adjustable wrench in this little tin. Now, I bought these. I bought a whole stack of these at Michael's. They were a whole box of them. They were like, I don't know, $2 or $3 the box. And there's a whole bunch of them. They're supposed to be for beads and other little things, but you open that lid and it's a nice little handle. Now we have several bits. And of course, these are going to get jammed in there. There we go. I have 4 different size bits. You could add whatever ones you want. I just have 2 different size Phillips and 2 straight blades. For the adjustable wrench, you take now I've got a piece of tape on it. You go like that. Oops. Thread one on, thread the other one on. Put on a washer. Put on the other washer. Thread on 2. The other 2 nuts. And now you have an adjustable wrench that will open as far as the threaded piece on the threaded bar here will work. Using the 2 washers, you then tighten your nuts down around it. And you have a small adjustable wrench. Is it the greatest? No, probably not. Will it change a battery cable? More than likely, if you can get down in there, it will do the job. So, that's my revision. I was using this, because this will also work if you don't want to cut a wrench. You can use, this is a doohickey, but most of these little keychain multi-tools have this little, have the type of wrench cutouts that will fit a screwdriver bit. It will work quite well. So, but I think I'll put that in a different kit now because I have this one. Could even make it a little bit longer if you absolutely had to. So now I got to put it all back together again. Let me know what you think, folks. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all happen to leave comments on your internet access device of choice. Man, my hair's going all nuts, isn't it? If you'd like to share me around on your social media, that'd be like Fandoculus. If you want to check out my Facebook, the description will be down in the, or the link will be down in the description wherever that happens to be. Also have my address if you'd like to send me snail mail, which would be, again, Fandoculus. I love getting fan mail, or not fan mail, friend mail. I think I'd like to get fan mail, or I only get that to like Santa Claus. So, yeah, if your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call, hit them up on Facebook, send them a postcard, let them know you're thinking about them. Let them know you love them. We're not promised tomorrow. We're not promised the next 5 minutes. So, on that note, I hope y'all have a great day until I see y'all again. Sláinte, y'all. Bye-bye.